Welcome to this very important video about HMRC AI systems called Connect, or you may call it the digital detectives at the heart of the HMRC or UK tax system. Whether you are self-employed, running a small business, or earn income through an online platform, this is something every taxpayer needs to understand. First, let's see what HMRC Connect is. HMRC Connect was launched in 2010 by HMRC. It's a powerful AI-driven system. It's designed to detect tax evasion, spot errors in tax submissions, discrepancies between declared income and the actual financial activity, and to ensure everyone pays the right amount of tax. Now first, why HMRC is doing it? Well, the ultimate aim of this is to shrink the UK tax gap. Tax gap is the difference between what HMRC should be collecting versus what they are actually getting. In 2010, estimated tax gap was approximately 42 billion, which after the use of AI Connect, in 2023, that difference was just 35.8 billion. An estimated amount of 11 billion was recovered in those years. That means it's actually working. Now think of Connect as a super smart computer system. It analyzes over 100 billion data points every year from almost 40 million individual tax returns, 5 million businesses, and it builds a financial profile for each taxpayer. Now, how does it work? Connect pulls data from land registry, DVLA, your bank accounts, including your car terminals and online platforms like eBay, PayPal, Amazon, you name it, and also crypto platforms. As a result of Connect system, HMRC was able to gather data from land registry, and HMRC opened hundreds of inquiries about undisclosed rental income in last few years. Now, it doesn't stop here. Very important for everyone to know. The Connect even scans your social media to assess your lifestyles, since social media posts can be a clue for HMRC. If someone is posting luxury lifestyles, luxury holidays, cars and new homes while declaring an income of 25 or 30,000 pounds, Connect will flag it. You do not need to commit a fraud. It's just having a lifestyle that doesn't match your tax returns can trigger an inquiry. Or you may have heard news about someone who was climbing Mount Kilimanjaro while claiming incapacity benefits, and through his social media post, HMRC identified and then they took the necessary action. HMRC uses this data to compare your declared income, your actual spendings, and your lifestyle habits. You may think I'm a very small business. They may not catch me. They may not find out about me. But it applies to you. You may think that I'm a small trader and I'm under the radar, but from HMRC perspective, checking small traders is quick, easy, cost-effective, and quick recovery. Just don't think that you may go under the radar. You may not. Connect system can detect anyone and everyone. Let's look at a couple of examples. Let's say someone declared 30,000 income but purchased a property of 450,000 pounds. Connect flags it right away, because there's a mismatch between income and declared income. Or imagine if you're a self-employed showing income of 30,000 pounds, but in your bank you've received more than 100,000 pounds. Again, Connect will flag it because it's retrieving information from land registry, it's retrieving information from banks and your car terminals. Connect will build a financial profile using deposits, your income tax returns, your assets, your spendings, your lifestyle indicators. If Connect finds something, HMRC may launch a compliance check. Just in 2024, there were over 90,000 checks. And it's not just civil penalties. Connect contributed to 1,400 criminal prosecutions in that particular year. A real-life example was for one of the self-employed electrical engineer who was declaring 48,000 pounds total revenue or sales. Through use of Connect, HMRC found out that there were 106,000 pounds deposit in his bank. HMRC launched an inquiry, started investigation, and ultimately it resulted in additional tax, penalties, and interest. Now let's briefly discuss how to stay safe. Number one, declare all your income. Since January 2024, all banks, online platforms, everyone will be reporting your earnings to HMRC. Number two, use proper accounting softwares. Track every deposit, payment, and expense. If you're not yet registered as self-employed and you earn over £1,000 from side hustle, get yourself registered ASAP. You declare all your expenses that are wholly and exclusively relating to your business. Don't put your personal expenses in. Back up all your records. Keep invoices, reports, receipts, everything. Be mindful of your social media posts. HMRC can see it and it is looking into it. Remember, Connect doesn't work alone. It cross-checks everything. Your VAT returns, your payroll, your bank submissions, your corporation tax returns, your personal tax returns. Any gaps between these can trigger an inquiry. Now, HMRC Connect is evolving. As technology advances, so does its ability to detect discrepancies. And for taxpayers, that means keeping good records, declaring income accurately, staying proactive and in compliance with the law. Stay informed, stay compliant, and stay ahead. For any additional help, information, please contact our offices. Thank you.